Hey everyone, hope you all are good with your family. Today where we are going to
We are going to the Sheikh Zayed
festival
in
Abu Dhabi.
Dhabi.
Okay, so the festival timing is from 4 o'clock, so that's why we are going in the evening time. Stay tuned with us. Bye bye. So it's evening time, it's 6:47 and this is the route for Sheikh Zayed festival. और यहाँ पे लाइटिंग लगी हुई है.
Hindi.
Yes, I'm gonna make it in Hindi now. So you can see first time we are also going, so we don't know how it is. But lighting बहुत लगी हुई है यहाँ पे, बहुत अच्छा सजा हुआ है. As you guys can see from here. Oh wow, the light are really nice.
Yeah, they look beautiful.
You can see guys from here.
The lights look like fireworks. I can hear them.
And from yesterday only it's open. This
Yeah.
festival open. So today is the second day, 2nd of November. So
And it's
we are
also
going.
one of my mother's.
Nicely they decorated. Yeah.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto lane 2121.
So you can see the decoration. It's wow. Yeah?
It's amazing. You can see like some lights up there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we can
It's
see it.
looking nice actually.
Continue on lane 2124 for 800 meters.
So बहुत अच्छा सजाया हुआ है इन लोगों ने, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग आ रहे हैं. Wow, nice. और आई थिंक रश भी रहेगा आज, क्योंकि ये शेख नहयान की पिक्चर है. शेख जायद बिन नहयान.
In 400 meters, turn right.
Sheikh
So this
Zayed
is the
bin
location.
Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan.
हम लोगों को इधर जाना है. Hi guys, so
And
finally
we
we
are
reached. Finally we reached at the destination where the Sheikh Zayed festival is there. But I must say that please plan before coming here and leave your house on time, because the all parking was full and we were looking for parking. So means we waste a lot of time here. And I'm gonna give you one tip that when you are coming, so you will come at the back side, parking 6. So you just directly come to parking 6 and then it will be good, I guess, because we were going in every single parking and then finally we got the parking and now heading towards the festival site. This is the entrance gate 3. We are going from here. It is near to parking 6 and this is the ticket counter, and I think the tickets is for 10 dirham each. So this is the gate from where we gonna enter in this festival. ये जो फेस्टिवल है ये लेट हिज हाइनेस शेख जायद सुल्तान बिन अल नहयान के नेम पर रखा गया है. ये यूएई कल्चर को दिखाता है और बाकी जितने भी डिफरेंट कल्चर हैं उनको भी दर्शाता है. तो वी विल सी. सो ये एंट्रेंस गेट है. क्या गो गो गो. सो हम एंटर कर चुके हैं एंट्रेंस गेट 3 से.
Like if they have hot dog, then get hot dog.
We will see, Tia.
So that's why.
So ये कुछ ऐसा है. आगे जाके पता चलेगा कि ये कैसा है. अरे ये so this is ये यहाँ पर एक huge display है.
I can see the roller.
So it's a happening place here.
Happy place. Happy not
यहाँ पे स्वीट बनती है रिया पापा.
हैं?
यहाँ पे. So ये हैपनिंग प्लेस है. ये जस्ट ग्लोबल विलेज की तरह ही है मोस्टली, बट इसका नाम शेख जायद फेस्टिवल है. कम दिस साइड टिया, कम दिस साइड टिया. तो यहाँ पे फाउंटेन वगैरह लगा हुआ है बच्चों के लिए, कलरफुल लाइट्स. Visit with your kids. No, don't remove. So it's a happening place. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे फूड स्टॉल हैं जैसे ग्लोबल विलेज में भी मिलते हैं, और पवेलियंस भी हैं काफ़ी. तो एक्सप्लोर करते हैं.
Can we get ice cream?
यहाँ पे अलबेग भी है. तो अगर आप लोग यहाँ पे आओ तो अलबेग में जा सकते हो.
Mama,
सो अगर आपको अपनी फैमिली के साथ इवनिंग बितानी है, हाँ देखते हैं ना, इधर से देखते हैं. कहाँ? यहाँ पे भी फूड ट्रक्स हैं काफ़ी. इस साइड चलते हैं, फिर उस साइड चलते हैं. तो आप लोग आ सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पे एक शॉप है ये कबाब की, और ये बहुत फेमस कबाब की शॉप है. तो आप लोग अगर यहाँ पे आओ तो यू कैन एक्सप्लोर इट. So this was the shop, and this is how they're gonna serve you the kebab. Looks so delicious. Ordered 2 sandwich kebabs. Tia? So he's putting some spices right now, and then after that he will put the pieces of kebab. I think 4 pieces he will put inside the sandwich. So here we go. So this is the kebab.
Bosnian kebab.
Yes. It looked like this.
I don't want to have it.
Have it and tell me how it is.
No, don't taste.
The bread also.
So this shop is really famous, and they are making the bread. Come here and check this. Tell Tia, कैसा है ये? ठीक है, अच्छा नहीं है? So yum. किड्स एरिया, यहाँ पर मैजिक शो वगैरह हो रहे हैं बच्चों के लिए, और ये सारे फूड ट्रक हैं यहाँ पे. और ये इंडिया की पवेलियन है, वो टर्की पवेलियन है, ये सामने इजिप्ट पवेलियन है. सो ये सेम कंसेप्ट है जैसे ग्लोबल विलेज में है. एंड दिस इज स्वीट स्ट्रीट.
There's nothing sweet here.
And this is India's pavilion. So let's explore one by one. First we'll go to Turkey. We are going to enter in this Turkey Pavilion, and this is
टर्की के सूप बहुत पॉपुलर होते हैं
टर्की के सोप. ओके, सो टर्की के सोप बहुत पॉपुलर होते हैं. लेट्स सी. So this is a soap shop where you will find all the varieties of soap.
3 piece 50.
3 piece 50?
Yeah, or 7 piece 100.
Okay, 7 piece 100 and 3 piece 50. So you can come in this shop and buy. Let's see.
Don't pack it yet, it'll fall out.
You wanna buy?
You a bigger one?
So this one, he's saying that this is a famous donkey milk soap. So we're gonna take this. It is 20 dirham.
Here.
And these are the Turkish perfumes here. So this is Turkish pavilion. And here they are sending the nuts. This place. Which flavor you choose?
Vanilla.
Okay.
Cherry.
So this is a counter for Turkish candy. Here and
Based on sugar, big water. How you made these candies?
Next, I don't know the receipt. I'm just talking to you. Next, but it's natural. I know that.
And one is raspberry.
so this is Turkish candy. Tia is going to try.
You can choose one more.
Take the blue one.
Blueberry.
I knew.
You could back also. You could take.
Yeah, don't take it. Not together with candy. You want fresh lemon? It's nice. That's how.
Take.
Okay. No biting, okay?
Sweet and sour.
It's not sour.
I can bite it.
Lemon is actually sour, but together with
can
candy,
bite
it's not sour. Yeah, don't bite. Better you don't bite.
Just lick it.
Yeah, just lick. If she bite, it's okay, but better don't bite.
Nice.
That tastes so
Sure,
good.
Thank you.
Try it. It tastes so good.
Look at here.
Thank you.
Did you like? Yeah, thank you so much.
So अब हम लोग इंडियाज़ पवेलियन में जा रहे हैं, हमारी होम कंट्री. एंड देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्या क्या है. So basically it's just like global village, how global village is. And today is the and today is the second day.
Yeah, it's India pavilion.
So this is Indian pavilion.
Shawl.
Yeah, और Kashmiri shawl. It has
Malik
written
shawl.
Kashmir. It has written Kashmir.
I don't know what you like.
हाँ.
But it's Malik.
पापा मेरे को वो वाला देखना है.
ये सारी इंडियन पवेलियन है. वही सारी जैसे दिल्ली हाट में होता है, उसी की तरह है ये सब.
Red Fort.
और यहाँ पे ये रेड फोर्ट बनाया हुआ है डिस्प्ले में. बाकी सेम, लेकिन ये थोड़ा छोटा है ग्लोबल विलेज से. ग्लोबल विलेज बहुत बड़ा है और आधी शॉप्स तो अभी बंद हैं क्योंकि आज सेकेंड डे है फेस्टिवल का. सो मे बी इन द कमिंग डेज दे ऑल द शॉप्स विल बी ओपन. अब हम लोग इजिप्ट की पवेलियन में एंटर करने वाले हैं. और इजिप्ट की पवेलियन हमेशा ही सुंदर होती है ज़्यादा, बिकॉज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा होता है इसका. तो लेट्स सी क्या क्या है यहाँ पे. ये सब इजिप्शियन चीज़ें हैं. लोग सारी पवेलियन ग्लोबल विलेज के उससे मतलब छोटी हैं। ग्लोबल विलेज में जितनी बड़ी पवेलियंस हैं यहाँ पे छोटी पवेलियन है, उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है। बट नाइस प्लेस टू एक्सप्लोर। Jewelries also. So this is Yaman Pavilion. Now this is American Pavilion and we're gonna enter in this. So let's explore this. This is American Pavilion and this is how the entrance is. Actually many shops are closed, like it's empty because it's a second day of this festival. So in the coming days you will find so many other things.
This building is in America.
Okay.
Red Indians
Yes.
in America. Kind of a, what you say? Tribes.
So here are candy shops and other things too. This one is now Pakistan and Afghanistan pavilion together. So this one is Afghanistan and Pakistan साथ में है.
From Tia.
And same
Tia.
सारी shops, हाँ सारी shops लगी हुई हैं. Afghanistan, Pakistan cloth materials you can get from here and even the jackets I guess. So you will get the jackets from here. And from here you will get the qaleen. But ये थोड़ा सा वो लग रहा है. No, outside. But ये थोड़ा सा खाली खाली लग रहा है अभी. काफ़ी शॉप्स, हर पवेलियन में काफ़ी शॉप्स जो हैं वो एम्प्टी हैं अभी बिकॉज सेकेंड डे की वजह से शायद, वी डोंट नो. बट भीड़ बहुत है बाहर. Some jackets are here. You can see. ये सीरिया की पवेलियन है और यहाँ पे ये टर्किश चाय है या सीरिया की चाय होगी. ऑफ कोर्स सीरिया की पवेलियन है तो. So this is Syria's juice. So this is how he's serving the juice in Syria's pavilion, and it is 20 dirham. So no. Try how it is. Berries. So this is fresh berries juice. We're gonna try this. So delicious.
I'll try it. Guys, and we all need a grated juice. What was your grated, Mom?
First you drink and tell me how it is.
It's like gummy bears. The
Yeah.
berry gummy bears.
So nice. Yes.
Probably like a 10 out of 10. Probably.
Yeah.
And Victoria, my best
Give me also. I want to drink.
No, I want
Take. So they have very nice thing to give this juice. So this is now Syria pavilion. Inside this.
I'm gonna put my back.
Band would lega do. Put some band.
Is the same perfume shop, shoes shop over here. So this one is Syria Pavilion. We just bought the juice and it's very nice actually, berries juice. So this pavilion
somewhere,
belongs to Gulf countries. and we know what is going to be inside, so we are not going there. We are already tired of walking. So these are the pavilions in this Sheikh Zayed festival, and again this is a big area. Now we are thinking to go and explore some other side.